Want to share a TikTok on Instagram but don't know how to? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to post TikTok on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open TikTok. Tap on the arrow icon at the bottom right of the video that you like and want to share. There are many options to share on Instagram, like stories, direct, or even post. I'll be sharing it on Instagram story. To do so, I'm going to tap on stories icon. Now it will automatically open Instagram story. Now you can simply share it. And that is how to post TikTok on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.